Thank you so much for clicking on this video. We're going to go ahead and go over real quick on how to budget out your roof replacement. Roof replacements can be a very costly maintenance on a house, and so we're just going to go ahead and help you budget it out real quick so you don't have to pay a big chunk of money all at once. To get started, we're going to be visiting roofcalc.org. Up here is what we're looking at. And this is the main page. We're going to scroll down a little bit to get this little average roof cost estimator. We're going to choose which kind of material that we think you'd like on your roof. And we're going to look at the high end. We're going to look at the high end because when budgeting something out, you always kind of want to plan for worst case scenario. If you end up not needing to spend that much, that's only a good thing, right? So we're going to go over to this Excel or Google Sheet that I'm going to include in the description of this video if you're watching on YouTube, so you can use it yourself. So we're going to take a look at metal shingles. We're going to say $16,890 is going to be the cost. So we're just going to put that right here, $16,890. Okay, $16,890. And this is taking into account if your roof is 1,600 square feet. See right here? But I calculated that into this estimator. So we're going to be able to put our actual square footage of a roof. Let's say it's 2,600. And when that happens, we're going to get the expected cost for the entire roof. Now what we're going to want to also enter is months we're planning ahead. So let's say we're planning 60 months out. It's 5 years. Kind of far out, but put whatever number you want here. Which means we're going to have to put away $457 a month in order to be ready in 60 months to pay for this $27,000 roof replacement. This is a little visual that helps you understand that we're paying this much a month instead of this much all at once. Just a visual aid there. And as a reminder, before you use this, the yellow cells are input cells, meaning that you put the numbers in the yellow cells, don't put the numbers in the white cells, because that will ruin this and make it not work for you. But I hope this helps, and I hope this can put you on the right track to being prepared for your roof replacement, and that it won't sting you as much when the time comes.